Hi there, so in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to factorise a quadratic when the coefficient of x squared isn't 1. So you can see here that the coefficient of x squared is 2. Now the main difference between this procedure and the procedure for when the coefficient of x squared is 1, that I covered in an earlier video, is that instead of finding the factor pairs of the constant term, in this case negative 6, you find the factor pairs of the constant term multiplied by the coefficient of x squared. So as 2 times negative 6 is negative 12, I'm looking for the factor pairs of 12, negative 12. Right, so after a little bit of calculation you can probably easily see that these are simply negative 1, 12, 1, negative 12, 2, negative 6, negative 2, 6, negative 3, 4, 3, negative 4. Okay, so again, you're looking for the pair of these that sums to the coefficient of x, in this case negative 1. You can probably see that, and quite easily, that the pair that does have that property is 3 and negative 4. As 3 plus negative 4, or 3 minus 4, it's just minus 1. So now the key step here, you write it like this. You've got 2x squared minus x minus 6 equals 2x squared plus 3x minus 4x minus 6. And now this plus 3x is from the 3 here, and this minus 4x is from the minus 4 there. Okay, now it doesn't matter which order you write them in, minus 4x first or plus 3x first. Okay, and it's important to note that whenever you're doing this, you should always do a bit of a reality check. These two expressions actually are equal, like 3x minus 4x is equal to minus x, which is pretty obvious in this case. Now what you're doing is you're taking each pair of terms, the first two here and the last two there, and looking for common factors in them. So in this case, I could see that a common factor here is x, just x. So you've got x times 2x plus 3, as 2 and 3 have no common factors other than 1. Now, in the last two terms, I could see that the common factor is minus 2. So minus 2 is 2x plus 3. And now the next part, it's very key here that the two expressions in your brackets should always be the same. So I've got 2x plus 3 here and 2x plus 3 here, so that's good. Now for the key step, I'm going to collect this all together. So you see here I've got x times 2x plus 3 minus 2 times 2x plus 3. So almost the reverse of the method I covered in my multiplying out the brackets video. I'm now going to put this back together to give x minus 2 times 2x plus 3. Okay. So you can see if I was to multiply this out, you can see it would be x times 2x plus 3 minus 2 times 2x plus 3, which is just this here. Okay, so you can always check this using the same method that I taught you when the coefficient of x squared is 1, by multiplying out the brackets and checking this comes to the original expression. So that was how to factorise a quadratic when the coefficient of x squared isn't 1.